Goodyear silicone premium beam wiper blades are a high-end addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with 22mm push-button wiper arms. Before you begin, you'll need to determine the size of the wiper arm with a ruler, or by trying to push a penny into the end of the arm. If you have a 22mm arm, and for this install you do, the penny will fit in firmly. If you have a 19mm arm, it will not fit. First, remove the pre-attached adapter by grabbing the front of the adapter and pulling up. Discard the adapter. Next, find the adapter labeled base and position it so the back side with the arrow aligns with the spoiler wing. Then snap it into place. Now, find the adapter labeled 3H2. Ensure the wings on the 3H2 adapter are folded in so they are locked in place on the front of it. With the wiper arm in the upright position, insert the back end of the adapter into the wiper arm opening. Take note, the button in the middle of the adapter must lock into the hole at the top of the wiper arm. Then, snap the wiper arm with the connected 3H2 adapter onto the base adapter. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a plastic protector over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and then you're ready for the fun part, activating the blade's water repellency. To do that, simply spray washer fluid onto your windshield and allow the blades to clear it. This will make sure your windshield is thoroughly coated. Now you're set, ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Goodyear silicone wiper blades with infused water repellent technology. Goodyear silicone wiper blades, performance you can trust.